Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the welcome box from FabFitFun. It is something that they give out to their members, to give out to their friends, to get a little taste of what the FabFitFun subscription is really like. And they give these out for free, but they make you pay for the shipping. So my sister is a member of FabFitFun and she decided to send me one of her free welcome box links, and that is how I attained this little box for us to open. I think I had to pay about $10 in shipping for this box, but that's really not bad to get a half-size box of the FabFitFun. So in this box, they ended up sending us 4 items. The first item they sent us is a bracelet. This is by Adore by Swarovski, and I was excited to see that it was by Swarovski because I was hoping there'd be like little sparkly diamonds on it or something. And it's awful. It only has one little diamond on it and it's so small that you can like seriously hardly see it. It's in this corner if you can see it. Yeah, so I mean, I like this item, but I just wish there was a little bit more sparkle to it. That's just my own personal preference. This has a retail value of $39, so this is still a pretty good item. I'll probably end up gifting this to a family member. The next item they sent us is by Drybar, and it's the Pep Rally Prime and Pep Detangler. And I'm excited for this, not because I really needed a tangler, but I'm excited for it because it says that it protects in heat up to 450 degrees. Which is really exciting. I've never really had something like this before, and I probably should have been using one for a long time now. So I'm super excited to give this a go, and this has a retail value of $23. The next item is weird. I will definitely be gifting it to someone because I can't imagine sitting with my hands all moist, like, ugh. But this is the Thirsty Hands hand masks. And I believe there's 2 of them in this package, and it says these have a retail value of $16. I think some people might enjoy a hand mask, but to me these are just so weird. And when I saw this last item, I was beyond ecstatic because I'm absolutely in love with Tarte. It is one of my favorite brands, and I really like their skincare stuff. And in our box, at the bottom, there's this huge tub, because everything from FabFitFun is full size. And it's this huge tub, drink of H2O Hydrating Boost cream. And I'm super excited because I've had a lot of other things from the H2O line, but I've never tried this specific product. And this has a retail value of $39. So considering I just paid $10 for this welcome box and this alone has a value of $39, this was a great deal. FabFitFun has always seemed like a really fun subscription to me. The only thing I have against it is sometimes the items you get are like super yoga-y, and if you're not into yoga, then it's useless to you. Like one time they sent me a yoga mat. So I've gotten products from them before that are just completely useless to me. But for the most part, they do a really good job picking high-end brands and bringing them to you at a super low price. So definitely FabFitFun is approved by me. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.